And we're back again.
Yeah, we are.
So I know you guys miss Jared. We've been gone for a while.
So sweet.
Or he been gone for a while. Yeah.
Off the channel, not gone anywhere.
Yeah. Jared been making some moves and dealing with the moves.
Yeah, been doing things and they've been coming back to bite me.
I dropped my phone.
That's a drop call.
So Jared don't have the RT anymore.
Nah. In a way, I still miss it though.
You still miss it?
Kinda. I had it for 2 years.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, this is still the same car. It's just a newer one, but still.
Yeah. But now, Jared got himself a
2015 RT Scat Pack.
Scat Pack. So
yeah, which is pretty much an SRT with downgraded brakes. That's about it.
So, what does this mean for the Mach 1 versus the Hemi?
I don't really think it's fair anymore.
I mean,
well, I mean, the only reason that I got this car is the price was, I just put it in manual mode, I'm sorry. The price is around the same as the RT was. Insurance actually went down and my monthly payment went up 100, but it's still relatively the same as I was paying. And he took too long to put his engine in. As soon as he got his car running, I had this one. And then, y'all already know, the engine blew in the other one, or in this one when I first got it.
Yeah, he been through a lot. Like, only owning it for what, 2 days?
I had 3 days, 2.5 days. I got it Thursday, drove it to work Thursday night, drove it to work Friday night, Saturday morning, the engine blew in the parking lot.
He had the feeling of not having a car.
Yes.
And how was that feeling?
It's terrible.
Yeah, he had that Nissan.
Awesome. It's not me.
And you also
I had a Jeep too.
Yeah, he had a Jeep too.
I had a Jeep Compass for about 2 weeks. And then I got the Altima, the dealership.
Yeah, he backed up into a mailbox with it.
Don't worry about it.
That was eventful.
Well, I'm not gonna say too many bad things. There's another drop call, bro. You keep dropping call. You need to upgrade your service.
Oh God, it's into the abyss. It's into the abyss.
This way till we get to the spot.
Well, I got the GPS on.
Ah, crap.
What, we gonna listen to it? Hold on, you need to keep focused on driving.
It's gone. My seats are pretty wide. All right, this car is not as wide as the other one.
Ow, my nose.
Sit. Things are happening. You good, fam?
I got my fingertips on it.
You got it?
No.
Crap.
I need to take this thing.
Alright, I'm just gonna kind of.
We're good.
Doing good.
Got the phone back. Got the GPS, so we're good. Now, the reason why we got the GPS is we actually are about to do the first mod on the Scat Pack.
Yeah.
Besides the spoiler, but you know,
the spoiler.
We had to put the spoiler on there.
There's no way I was going to drive it without a spoiler. It had no spoiler on it. I don't know why the previous owner took the spoiler off. Awesome. Hello? Hey, Darren. Phone calls.
Yeah,
it's fine.
So the first mod that we're doing is Muffler.
Can't talk.
Muffler.
Mid-muffler.
Yes.
Because the car is not quite as loud as my old car and I miss the old sound.
He didn't want it too loud when he had the V6. But then when he got the RT, he was like,
it's a V8.
I like it.
Because
and then when he got the Scat Pack, he's like, it's not loud enough. When it's still...
I mean, naturally, since it has SRT pipes and SRT headers, it's gonna be naturally louder than the RT. And it's a bigger engine, so it's naturally gonna be louder. But I'm used to that echoing noise from the RT because I had it for 2 years with SLP loudmouth exhaust on it.
The drone.
Well, I'm not gonna keep the drone though.
Actually, let me go ahead and put this in there. There's a YouTuber named Horseplay Motoring. I know he's gonna be watching this.
Alright.
But he just made a review about some tires that are actually extremely cheap, but they are really good. Like they hook. They're called Achilles ATR. Yeah, they're called Achilles ATR something.
What's the speed rating?
Like 178.
That's good. That's
Exactly.
not what my car does.
And then he said that he got both of his tires, his back tires, for around $215.
For both?
Yeah.
It's $100 a piece.
Yeah.
It's great.
Exactly. So
if they last good, yo.
People say they last.
Okay.
And people are putting them on like 500 or 400 horsepower cars and whatnot. And they saying they're hooking.
Good.
Yeah, that's
I need some 315s.
it's right up here.
On the right.
Yeah, on the right.
I need some 315s.
I mean,
My rim will hold up 315s. So I'm good.
you see that red sign with that gas station right there? Wait,
Yeah.
that's it.
3rd Street Liquor.
Yeah, keep turning over. Yeah. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it look like a ranky jank shop, but I mean, they do work. They do work. Yeah. Little shout out to Discount Muffler.
Not me. Alright, turn it off.
All right, this is the before. So while we wait for Jared to get his exhaust done, we're gonna take a look at this Jaguar right here. This is, I think he said 94, and it got a Corvette, a Corvette motor in it. It is nice. Right now he's trying to put some exhaust on it, but he said that it's basically the same car that Tupac had, and it looks really, really cool. I kind of like this. It's really nice. You know, I'm not really a huge fan of Jaguars, but this is pretty cool. I like people that be swapping up, doing stuff with their cars that most people don't do. Corvette motor in a Jaguar, who never knew. do you like? We could just listen.
Taking it right here. Yeah. Listen. Because it's not overly dramatically loud. There's no drone.
Not at all.
At all. It's amazing.
And would you say they did a pretty good job?
Oh, they did. They did.
And what time we got there? Like around what, 9:30?
Yeah.
They got it done in 30 minutes. So
They got done quick.
Yeah. So
They got done really quick. Love it.
Ooh,
That popping is
backfire.
brutal. That popping is very. I'm driving sport mode to keep the thing open, the exhaust open.
so you can hear the pops.
Pops are gonna be
Brutal.
brutal. Yeah, they're gonna be brutal.
I'm pretty sure this is a successful mod.
No, yeah, it's successful. All right.
He loves the sound
Let me-
of it.
I still had it in manual downshift instead of putting it in park. My bad.
But I mean, it does sound good. I heard a Challenger come up, or not a Challenger. Charger came up to my job with the same exact exhaust, and it sounded pretty good. And I was like, hey, you need to do this.
Like, bit.
Oh, I also got my hood latches.
Finally,
Yeah,
the one that do broke.
yeah. Yeah, for the Fox body, I'm taking my car up there to get the exhaust done. I'm gonna do the same muffler that I had with the V6, but I think I'm gonna put an H pipe on it.
44s.
40s.
40, Super 40s.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna put an H pipe on it.
Why?
Deeper tone. It's a V6, so it's not gonna sound. It's a cruising car.
X pipe for the win. NASCAR.
Look, X pipe gonna sound terrible on a V6.
You're probably right.
If y'all say
But
otherwise,
check this
prove
out.
me wrong on my Instagram.
If you full throttle a V6, okay? If you full throttle a V6 that has two separate pipes, you're effectively listening to 2 3-cylinders going off at the same time.
Yeah.
And when you have an H pipe only transfers air when you're at an idle. That is it. As soon as you get past an idle, that air is not going to cut through there. It's going to go straight up the pipe. It's going to be 2 3-cylinders going off at once.
Well, still, I want a deeper sound. Man, the sun is bright, but not as bright as this blue car.
Yeah, because it's clouds.
But that's gonna be the end of this video. More to come.
Definitely more to come.
Yeah, there's gonna be more to come. I gotta review this car.
Yeah.
So yeah, we
I've
gotta
had
talk
it a
about
month.
it.
My brother did not wash that rim. Why?
But yeah, guys.
Why? Never mind. That's another story.
That story. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be it. My battery's starting to run low. Only got up 14%.
That is tragic. All right, we just.
I couldn't find my other battery.
In the video.